These are our NPT to BSP adapters. So they're used, I mean, NPT is national pipe thread, BSP is British pipe thread, British standard pipe. So NPT is usually American, and BSP is usually used around, especially the former Commonwealth countries as well as Britain itself. So this is an adapter that lets you adapt between the two, which is very handy. It's quite often you'll come across two different standards. So these ones are NPT to BSP. So it's an NPT female, which you see on the top, to a BSP male on the bottom. Our range goes from 1/4 inch to 2 inch, and we machine them from solid bar stock. So that makes them very strong. So you can see here, we've got a hex around the top. This would be the NPT end, and then which is the female end, and then we've got a BSP male on the bottom here. As you can see, it's machined from 316 stainless steel, which makes it very, very strong, much stronger than a cast model, and very handy. Even if you say you don't have an immediate use for it, it's handy just to have on you, especially if you're a service technician out in the field, because when you do come across it, you'll be able to adapt between the two.
For identification, how are they identified? Are they lasered on there?
Yeah, that's a good point, because we also do the reverse, which is a BSP to an NPT too. So you'll see on the side here is the code. So NPBP, which is NPT to BSP, and then the rest is our code. But this you'll see on the here is a 2-inch. So this one is a 2-inch NPT female to a 2-inch BSP male. And right the way through the range, they're all lasered on there just so you can get an idea. And if you've got both NPT to BSP and BSP to NPT, you know which one's which.